Some people, me have some live here where me I go share with you know. The first one me I go share with you know, a rebel and Swiftly kick off scene over the weekend. Swiftly out and about with a bag of people. I enjoy himself, and him not check up on rebel. You see me I say, and rebel never like that, and the kiss where him go get again, that even make things worse. So rebel go on with a bag of things with people. You see me I say, that are the first thing me I go share with you know. And from the other day, me hear them a say, boy, Destiny get kicked off of the program at Switzerland. You see me I say, and some people are speculate say I lie him a tell. Some people say I real something. But me no know if you know this woman we name Bella. Seeing she come pa Miss Bling live a lot of time. Me I go share some things we don't know about she and Destiny. The next two live we I go share with you people are Pretty Dan and Able Boss. You know what I mean? Me I go put that back. You see it. So Pretty Dan deal with the Able Boss a way me people. Roger get deal with a way. A whole heap of people she diss up. But Able Boss respond. Even Destiny me see her diss her up a little bit, but me never did really capture that. So the first thing we are going to get into a Destiny situation. You see it. So them say Destiny get kicked off of the program in a Switzerland, and she must sit up on the program for a couple of years well, and she get her work permit and all these things. You see me I say, and him both him and him get him work permit and all these things, and him never once try to get a job yet. Him dep on the internet, I say this and say that, and cuss every single body, expose them, do all these things. You see me I say, and the woman we name Bella you know, me hear she on a live one time, I say, wanna watch what go happen to him. Because him start put up people picnic picture, put up people family member picture, cuss them, deal with them away. You see me? And what do you think of over cheese live Bella there? And Bella say, me no remember what did happen to him. And Bella say, yeah, I think them did take him page them or something like that. And Bella say, that are the least I'm worries. Bigger things are go forward. You see me? Then dep on them live more while and them chat every single thing. All things where them fi keep private. Me hear him on him live already, you know. I say him can't accept money from no. Like him can't work or him can't earn money while him dep on the program. Him come tell the people them, you know, although other people know say you can't work when you get money from the government. That have to be your only source of income. You see me I say, him come on the live, come talk it. And when him a talk about the government and him money where him a get from the government, him a big up him chest and I say them have to take care of me. Me not have to ask, them have to take care of me till me dead. Way. I say him go on. You see it? So it look like the foolishness them where him a go on with on the internet. Bella look like say she contact the people them over there and show them where him a go on with. You know what I mean? And I saw them kick him off of the program. Him say that still, but I think him say them did a fix the apartment the first time when him get kicked off of the program and I go move out. Him say them a fix the apartment where him did inner, so him have to find a hotel stay, you know. That did happen already, you know. when them did fix the apartment, them did make him stay in our hotel. You see me, something did wrong with the floor of the apartment and him did stay in our hotel. But this time it look like say them kick him off of the program for real. Him say him a look a place to stay and him a do a little fundraising and way. So me no know how true to be if a lie him come and tell the people them say him get kicked off of the program or a truth. But me hear say from government a fund you, with America, Switzerland or wherever you're there, you can't have none other source of income. You see it. And him there on TikTok a earn money. So them kick him off a program. Allegedly still. You know what I mean? So when we play that little thing here with him and Miss Tripler talk. Me miss up this short still. I miss some of what them did I say, but this is how we capture.
You get me?
Them are gonna need it. They're gonna need that bill. You have to show them that bill. Let me call my friend, cause my friend live in Switzerland. I'm not telling a lie. Shelly, let me see if Shelly is on the line. I got Shelly with the bill for.
Because they find out that she getting money from elsewhere. You're not supposed to be getting money from elsewhere and government assistance anywhere you are in the world.
And I really that too, cause number one, them give you 4 years. In Spain, they give you 1.5 years before they take care of you. Actually busy.
Well, that part, Simple Haven, I can't really say, because a lot of us in the comments, we know how real life going. A lot of us working, and when the pay
what they're trying to say.
Wait there. When the pay come, we know say all light done. We know we not no savings. A lot of people in this comment
Number one,
Miss Triple, we just live paycheck to paycheck. You know this is real life. Act as if this is real life.
Them are going like some on TikTok video.
You guys just
TikTok video wrong.
Get the pay, the bills come out. You just have to wait till pay again. There's nothing left to save. So stop pretending as if we're in a fairyland where everybody has stocks and bonds and investments. This is real life, guys. Think of it as
Number one, Switzerland expensive. You can't buy Switzerland dear.
A lot of people right now, if they show you their account, they only have like $500 Jamaican or $20 US in their account. And that doesn't mean that they're broke. They just don't have the money in the account, but they can survive. It makes sense? So guys, this is real life. Stop acting as if we're in a fairy tale land where everybody has a lot of money put on and everybody is rich and everybody's it's real life.
Hi people, cha. Switzerland a cool place, I forget put out cha no.
Anyways, you don't have married, just have to move on. Yeah, rough. Me know enough friend, me have a foreign who have $10, $20, $70 in their bank account. And they still a flex alright, because then just if pay come, if pay have done in a bill, then wait for one next pay again. I saw it come, I saw it done. I saw it go.
Appeal what case? Me not understand you after no me asylum cancel.
Savings not so easy if you have as you think. You have to do multiple things. You have to have multiple incomes for you save more while. For save from one, something is damn near impossible more while. Because it's like, I don't know what is wrong with the universe, but as soon as money drop in your hands sometime, the universe...
So people, that they look apart, they may have play this, I'm not going to play too much because I have other things I go share with, You see it, so it's alleged say them kick him out. You know what I mean? Them kick him off of the program where them used to pay him rent. Them used to give him money. Is it? So he must go find it for himself, you know. And it's a place where them speak a different language. And he must say him don't know the language. You see it, him never go try to learn the language or nothing like that. Him always a big up him chest say the government have to take care of him. I saw him talk, you know, them have to take care of me till him dead. You see me I say? So I have to go try if he take care of himself, you know, cause the government kick him off of the program. So make we tune in a Rebel and Swiss drama, you know, people. Boy, may I tell you. Rebel says she want a thick man. Swiss get mad.
Nah, tell you lie between me and my friend. Enjoy myself.
You see that?
Nah, tell you lie, me enjoy myself. Me tired, but me enjoy myself. Me go on yacht, jet ski, party, strip club. Bro, me enjoy myself, bro. Me never know such a life nice, but I just too want money.
Oh, so you call me over weekend?
Eh?
You call me over weekend?
So me not call you, man. You tell me, say, you're busy, man. I'ma call you. And you give me attitude.
You never call me, you message me.
Me message you, but you not check. You would even check up on me and say if me a John or nothing.
I'm for check up on you and up on my timeline, me see what's going on. I thought we were closer than that.
What do you mean? What up your timeline?
A pure kissing on the timeline. You bingo.
Whoa!
You bingo.
Whoa!
People like this me I talk about. Back to the story. You can't mute me.
Yo, me never mute you, bro. I can't take them something. Me are reason. We are too adult. We are big people, bro.
I'm not adult, you know.
Yeah, what?
He's a kid.
Yo, me here we are. So, we are mean bingo. You know let me not play bingo?
Well, your daddy play checkers or draft.
No, me I play a draft, cause I can't go back to my past.
Sometimes you have to back take, front take.
Yo, what you say go on now? Where you say who I get kissed? Come me not see them something you know.
You want to look like me and complain about your kiss, you know. I better go
No,
back to my
me are
story.
reason, my friend. Who I get kissed?
Buddy, I go back to my story.
I'm telling you, bro, you know we're upon the app, my dog. I know I love you, you know, dog. Every time I feel like I want to lie to you, bro, it my heart hurt. So me honest tell you the truth. We just upon the app, bro, and you know, Mama kiss up on my jaw and say, Swiss, I love you. I really appreciate everything that you done for me and you come here and make me feel love. That's why, you know, she does jump, bro, and we just enjoy herself, bro, but it's not really serious to you to worry about, babe, because
No, I'm not worried, my love. I'm not worried.
yo, just relax yourself, me talking, bro. Can you love go
I'm
like
not
that?
worried. No, baby, I'm not worried.
Me hear me talking.
Swiss, I love this for you, though. I'm not worried. Don't you ever say that.
Alright then, baby, but me just tell you something nothing what people are saying, you see me? Yeah, because if it's something what people are saying, I'm a woman. I just come bold and say, you know, she rate me, bro. She love me, bro. You see me? But I'm a G. I'm a G.
Them look good together, people. Me nah like over the weekend. I did so, you know what I mean? It shows that the two of them rate each other. Big man thing. And them would have make a good couple still. But when more want to know if you tell me, Swiss and Rebel, Style and Rebel. And no, Swiss Lee. Tell me, Swiss and Rebel, Style and Swiss Lee. Which one you know say?
You see me? Good girl. She just want to win.
So why you lose? Why you lose? Why you lose?
No, B.
No, why you blood clot lose?
No,
So you
B.
G. I mean, what? Your ex.
No, be a man with ex. Yeah, be.
Yo, people, although them are, you know what I mean, them just a play a role. I saw woman stay, you know. Them woman, yeah, them create argument out of nothing, you know. You hear where, yeah, you know, Sicily say she IMG, you know what I mean, a rebel, a gaslight the man. I say if she I'm ex. I saw woman stay in a real life, you know. Remember me telling you, them a gaslighter.
You come before.
Me okay then, me okay.
No, I'm B. You come before.
Oh.
I want you to be, I'm telling you the truth, bro. Me don't want you to see what go on in the media and believe everything in the media. Because everything in the media.
What me I say? You know what is you to me? You's a pea.
Yeah, me a pussy.
You's a pussy. I'm never come to complain no hypocrite with you.
Yo,
Go away for go away.
yo, anytime you feel like you have a look cute, this you go on. But me a reason because me a big man, you know.
You have blood clot.
Yo,
Sis,
you me a son of babes and start me like you have babes.
Sis, me a hot girl, you know.
Babe, me know that. Me know you're a hot girl.
I'm going for go, man. Me a hot girl. You're the pump.
Me know you're a hot girl, no. Me never say you're a fat girl.
Clots.
Watch on, babes. You know, so just let them be and just enjoy
Blood
myself.
clot, girls. I'm telling you, when no Billy man them, nobody never want them to the blood clot want them, but go on, Swiss. Go on a blood clot, see? Can you see when the doll pop out? Remember, it's not virtual.
Don't hurt me like that. Don't hurt me like that, babes.
Don't hurt her like that, babes. You're a friend.
Who your friend? So we left?
Me never there.
John was emotional damage.
No, but let me tell you now, as a G to a G,
No, me I make a circle.
as a B to a P, as a B to a P. When I pussy a thing, but love boy go and fear, you know.
Yo, just big up yourself, man. Not cook, bro. You see me?
So you can't, you're not about to worry, so.
No, man. I'm not about to reason, man.
So you cut me off, so you disrespect me there.
No, I'm not disrespect you, bro. Cause watch on my dog. Me think you was my rider there that understand. I mean, understand you. You understand?
Me used to ride. Me do the right part.
But
the die part, me not die.
yo, last time you chat too much, bro.
Blood clot
Last
shot.
chat, bro. Me talk, bro.
One weekend, you not call the doll. And your blood clot come resignate right as upon life, like say. Me say that,
So, Dal, your phone no work.
I'm phone for work and are you busy? Are you busy?
But you not call me either.
You may call you for you have a grandchild up in heaven. I do the blood clot cha-cha, like your Backstreet Boys. In your shine boot. Then if you call you. Me not call you, Switzerland. You have to call me.
But Rebelette, you could have called me, Rebelette. You could have called me.
No, I'm even leaving to get my grand time. Not call no boy.
So, I mean, if you do all calling and all run
At
down
this
to that.
point, of course.
May I fix it?
What you fix?
Eh?
What you fix?
Yeah, yo.
I want to fix. Stay with Crystal. I not even know that's a Crystal eat brand. Crystal have a vibes. You can Crystal can part. I think more on tick, man.
Emotional damage. John was that.
Just circle, because this not gonna work, you know.
The dog have to go in the gym and try to eat up some, you know what I mean, junk food. And try to swell up. I get some steroid. Tick man every want, you know. John was that.
It's not gonna work. I better me just find one woman for real and just bring her to the internet, because they want to kill me with blood clot Crystal. They want to kill me with Crystal. I say all of me and the girl are there. They want to kill me with, bro, I say they want to kill me there. So you know what I'm going to do? I find one woman and bring her come on the forefront And me and her there every day, sit down right, so I said, babes, beg Tops and Rose. Beg Lion and beg them something there. Which girl want me? No, I never cut left her because she had style me now. I said she want a thick man. She has style me now. I said she want one thick man. You just say Rebel take man for you that. You just say Rebel take man for clown. Look out the way, man.
Hey, sweetheart.
What do you mean? What do you mean you want a thick man? I don't mean that's a mate.
Sis.
Lulu, you talk?
Jesus Christ. What you say? What?
How about you?
What you say?
How about you?
I want to call me. What you say about Lulu?
I say for Lulu. You say I want a thick man, I say for Lulu. I know you're dangerous, you got hurt me now.
Would I never fuck your friend? Them fucking bright team look like waste girl. Me have time to prove point to you, man.
Chris Gale, I'm a friend too.
More than I move on with my life, I'm happy. And some blood clot desperate for hurt you. For what? Swiss, you don't know I'm full of man to like dog.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know.
Why? My body.
That's Swiss. Oh, me for what you name there? Oh, go fuck your friend. You out of here? Let me just rub you up and move on.
A Rebel full of style still, you know, people. I not lie, you know. A Rebel look good still, you know, brethren. I not lie. Rebel are one nice girl still. You see it. So, I don't feel like say she and Swiss would have work out. Cause remember say Rebel now like them normal female, you know. Rebel have a little thuggish thing about her, you know. I don't feel like say she and Swiss would have work out. Make me know.
Every time you pick it up. Good.
So everything would have got with Lulu, I just left and move on, Chris?
No, everything good, man, Rebel. You say you don't want me, bro. And
Then I come so come just like me do something wrong.
me not say you don't wrong, bro. Me not, bro. I'm gonna tell you, bro. You don't have a reason ability where we can settle down things.
Me don't have the ability. And that's why me love your blood clot. If you do the things, them and come apologize, make this a reach me. Fuck me. See the woman of this me I'm telling about. Sometimes when the boy them do the things them one time. Sometimes when the boy them do the things them one time, we run them. Cause what's dirty sis now I come through and get in my yard on timeline. I mean I'm probably for that.
Watch me. You
I go up on one Rastaman and the car don't talk about then also some come reason with shape good girl.
Oi, one time man me see a wine pan. One time man
I'm a blood clot job. But that wasn't your job on the boat.
Me see a wine pan, man, a man blow smoke in your mouth. And you tell me say your friend and me not say no. And nobody not see that. Where you tell me say Rami is showing me the video, we can go for the video now. Man a blow smoke in your mouth out of female and blow back in your mouth and see you. You ever see no one blow smoke in your mouth like mouth?
Sis, me not argue with you. It is what it blood go back so. It is what it is. Swiss, Swiss, me not argue with your blood clot about knock y'all. Come rusting in your membrane, me not ask. For somebody where you see virtually no blood clots.
Me come on Jamaica, me bombo.
You're crazy.
Yo, come on the Beirut attack. What you talking about? You're crazy.
Swiss, just have your fun. Try to make Merca Embassy grant me Can you see me tape in a foreign? The big dog is here. So I'm not kill myself over what I go have your phone angle it. But glad say you're not batty man. Fuck on the things that I'm gonna enjoy yourself. You crazy? Just me not argue about no woman, but just say I just respect. Come on, there be a girl instead of batty boy.
So me I said to yourself.
Somebody will belong grew up with another blood clot limit. I mean I love it.
But be on me.
And every time I make a company ignore internet I argue about other girls. And other girls nah bother me.
Be it's alright. Look how much money you usually give me and me hold it out. And me are cool.
You come like Shaggy it was me and never you yet.
No, me say.
People, if you remember good enough, remember say, a rebel and Swiss used to tick on the internet, you know. Until when him they just come and take the dog from a rebel wicked, you know. Full him up a big gift and sitting. And it caused a big drama between him and rebel. Until right now, as she are the lead woman in the dog. In the dog. In the dog thing. Yeah, no, but I feel like why she take over so much because Rebel not really dip on TikTok like that. Remember say Rebel have her thing I do. Otherwise, you know what I mean? The shows and all these things. Right now, Rebel are the hottest influencer in Jamaica. I get book figure all, but I just America she not go yet. You see it? So because she not up on the internet make thing they take over. You see me style take over.
Can you no, be me tell you, me a big man. I admit that I'm me.
Clap much.
I'm me be.
You kiss too much. Me know you. Me not blind.
I'm me not run from no one. I'm me man. I'm me.
Soon you have to not clap me.
I'm me man. But I don't me screen record. I don't me post so my people. So now me I put her up front. Our people post.
And you don't have no shame.
Be me say be all when me and them still catch up on the camera. One night time she kiss me say no. Don't be for sure, babes. One night time me say Jesus Christ, rebel not gonna like this and Tina is them. Yeah.
Next
Tina
man.
wife and Tia and Coco and Ashley see that Coco just reach. Coco said one long program.
You don't see none limit. I mean, something make you feel like blood clot tap man and start doing the things them.
No, be no.
You don't know something? No, man. Never do the things them, man.
No, not do me things them. Not do me things them, babes.
No, man. Chris, can you hear her? You want to size up? So make a size up with both gender. Only clear them. Easy. Give me 2 day max.
What you gonna do?
Because come like say you forget say me attract both gender. But the blood clot you tell me about 44 for.
No, be if you go look one girl no. If you want
I
girl.
don't give up love. Hey, don't, you know what?
You say if you want girl they put on live, that not gonna hurt me.
No. Me I tell you say, me I go lick your chip.
No, if you want girl they put on live, bro, it's girl. But if you go on
That's more for me.
I lick your chip. I mean, no, oh, me I go lick your chip. I go lick it hot.
if you want to.
Believe. Say me go lick it hot. Because somehow we love I couldn't stop boy too much. Your own third man. We have come to about other woman after me there so much years man TikTok I build with grounds.
No, but that's you gonna say you know about 44 and you know about 38 and you are this. So you change up your mouth already for me last week, you couldn't reason about that. Come to the Beirut a junk you.
Beirut cannot junk me. Me and you build for how much years over you married. Have how much 4 pitney. You come tell me about 12 blood clots. Why me never know about this. You fuck me.
Bobby, but a long time I don't see you, babes. A long time I don't see you. I try to step out, look at somebody step in.
Oh.
Look how long I don't see you on them side there. Be me could see you now wait for you be a miss here saying a party a boom flick and a flick for a man. And I jump up on man and me up here like me I eat that. Let me do what I'm telling me do what do me. If you have a fix the relationship, babes, we two will fix it. But I never was here. You walk out on me and don't take me for months. Go about your business, jumping and flicking and booming for months and flicking and talk about that's your work. And I say, okay, are your work? Go and do your work. What do you mean?
Yo, fuck up. You hear me?
Yo, Moko.
Yeah, oh, you meet me fuck up.
Eh?
You know,
Yeah, no, one thing though, them two are drama still enough people and them entertaining bad. You know what I mean? When we look on Sis Live last night, about 11k, 12k people tune in on the dog live. And when we look on Rebel Live, about 7k. You see me I say? The two of them, yeah man, it's a good look. You see it? Remember me tell you. I love them thing. You see, them have good chemistry. You see me I say? So I could watch some more.
Yeah.
you hear me?
Yo, Moko.
Yeah, oh, you meet me fuck up.
Eh?
You know, say this is my job, fuck up.
Yeah.
See? So you meet me fuck up.
Yeah.
Now do my thing.
Yeah.
Your job is to have blood clot 12 wife.
Eh?
You hear me?
Alright,
Your job
Moko.
is to have 12 blood clot wife.
Mock up. You know, say, mock up. Let me tell you. You know, so me just there one day. And me say, me just tired of get hurt. I'm just saying,
I want you.
wait no mock up, me go slam in your head. Wait no man, you not reach your head yet. I'm just saying, no, my tells me just going to one photosynthesis relationship where we talk to more than one woman. If one hurt me, I turn to the next one and she will help me, and then we get to a vibe.
Okay, so that is sweetheart.
No, listen to me tell you how it go now. And me just go so boom. And me say it start work now. Me tell you now.
What a relationship the name? Polygamy? Or polygamy, something like that? When you have more than one woman? That's it name?
When me go realize you know, you really not look for me like one time me and say, oh God.
So why you come back?
Eh?
Why you come back?
Call my phone and ring. I mean of communication, me I try everything.
So me not look for you, why you come back?
I just say go, it's when a man love, he really love. You understand? I saw we see as man, sometimes we just go out with no love, but deep in our heart, the phone a ring. I just say go.
Yeah, what? You say your love, you come with too much.
Eh? No, sir.
Your love come with too much, what really?
No, sir, you know really coming up, you know. Come on, my friend. Fuck up. Hey, Mr. Fuck up. I tell you, fuck up. You're cute, you know. You're cute.
I've heard.
Huh? You what?
I've heard that.
That you cute?
Yeah, I got a lot of compliment before you came on. I got my peoples.
No, I'm not telling you like that. Hear the fit, baby.
I know.
Just take the compliment no more.
No, I don't have to take anything from you.
No, seriously, no. I take your advice. You hearing me?
Loud and clear.
I take your advice, and they're coming out soon, okay?
I don't give a fuck. Next thing, girl, I'm going to take over a company. I look at you, and you gonna look like me never do nothing. I don't give a fuck what you want to do. That me I tell you no ladies, stop deal with the dirty boy, them my wicked. Fuck man.
Why would you want to fuck on me?
I fuck by a long time.
Emotional damage. Yo, people. You see them thing here with Sicily and Rebel. You know what I mean, accord because them just you know what I mean, give the views as them something to go and watch and enjoy themselves. You know, say them topic are a serious topic. You see me, because on a level you see man want to have more than one woman. You see me? And we are Africans, and certain places in Africa you can do that. You see me? And me personally feel like say man fi able to have more than one woman. But woman fi have one man. You see me? That may sound selfish still. You know what I mean? But here we go on. You see, just like how man cheat, I see him so woman cheat too, you know. Me I tell you that, you know. See him like how man cheat, I see him so woman cheat. But here what? You see, woman, it hard to find out say them a cheat. Them hide them thing different. You see it? Cause remember, you know, man we more have discipline when it come to a woman where them a cheat with, you know. Them now go ring off our phone and them something there. But you see on the other hand, woman, if them a cheat with a man, most of them want take over the man for themselves. So them a go cause problem in the man life. For the woman find out. You see me? So them topic are serious topic. Me feel like say man fi have more than one woman. You see me? A woman fi have one man. Because that's how the creator make it. But me know say some woman are gonna talk some things in the comment, but I saw it make from the beginning of time. You know what I mean? So I see him way for be.
Clad, so real. Cause I can't really vex an idea thing. I'm a fucking
Swiss can't believe.
You know, we got hurt. You're not seeing me fucking say can't burn you.
So real, bro. So real.
John knows that.
So real, bro.
Hurt your feelings,
circle me for
dog.
that one there. How much should I give her the pussy, bro?
Yeah, I know.
I mean, no shit I fuck for you, because last night I dream, you know. Last night I dream. Someone had rebel upon a hard back shot. Nah ball, sis. Nah ball, man. I just a whole of meds. Nah ball. Me a tough up my thing.
Yeah, general style.
And last night I dream someone had give rebel a hard back shot. Told the man I give rebel a hard back shot. The man has stab out rebel belly.
Oh, God.
Yeah, come over here and I check in and I check out around me. Me ain't have my business, bro. Go on over, rebel this rebel like me, bro. Go on over here, all your manage, bro. And lower for my life, bro. Hold on now, come look over here, bro. Go on, bro. I want to go on, bro. Stop sex for me down the yard. You got hand manager. Cause it's killing me. How much I really love her. But don't worry yourself, Ramesh. Wait till my foreigner fly down. I got mad your dance. I bet I shouldn't build one more of them. Papa, I bet I shouldn't build one more dance. You better me flying something. And line her upside of me. You shouldn't build one more of them. So they go, Papa, piece of piece. You bet? Alright. Show you something.
Yes. She talk about the robe where you buy. Tina is not say, I know you buy it.
So your team make up
buy it.
Weird. So your team make up and buy rope for 44? Yeah. And your team make up and buy rope for 44 for give back what she do for you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what me blood clot get for do?
Eh?
And me buy it for
What
her.
me get for do?
No, them just say, you did next, I go get something.
I mean it next.
And they say get it on sale also.
You see you triple? You see blood clot, yo? If you know say you pick up this Swiss.
No,
But next time it just feel better him to come along and say yes at two.
Miss Triple, me not talk to them. I'm talking to you, Miss Triple. We have someone buy it for them, you know. For them, me not call no name, right? And Miss Triple, but my team I say, oh, we can't see rebel from to start pop a piece of pillar. So me not to them say, boy, look like a baby pillar pop, me really can't see her over here.
Me not feel say Tina is wanting though.
So, sis, when she chaka, a big bricks chopping eye back, you did see her?
From to
Don't you have to before you tell a man say I should have be fussing blood clot line. You tell a man boy me the tracker. Then all girl forget road before me. Eh? I mean, my phone a mash up and me a watch a program. Want to my phone?
Remember, when we never date, we not ever talk. Remember, nobody could talk about my man and my man get when blood clot. But that we do have a bill with man. See it there? Tina is getting the room.
I did yarn him at first for true. I did yarn her at first for true.
But me nobody never, bro.
Then you see 5 different screen account with your kiss crystal.
True.
Ramesh, our
Miss Triple, come here. Miss Triple, come here.
one back over Swiss.
Kiss.
Miss Triple.
Kiss kiss.
No, not
Kiss.
Who a kiss?
No bill with no man, people. No bill with no man. This is the reward.
Kiss.
Yes, Triple, nobody never want him. Triple, when nobody never want him when him plot them liquor, so. As life,
Nobody never want you for choose.
No, Miss Triple, I'm gonna tell
I true, I did Rebel alone.
Let me reason my bumbo clock down.
Yeah, me that.
Yeah, me I say, bro.
Baccarat perfume on neck.
Bro, you say me go so boom. I'm go so boom, man. Me see, Tina is me I say, mama. Me feel in your life, you see me.
Still for black.
You see me, bro.
Yeah, me that.
You see me, bro. I'm a page, mama say, yo, brr. So me I say, mama say, yo. Me say, mama, you know, so me have a one girl still named Rebel. I'm a wife. You see me, and she say, that's nothing. It's okay. I like Rebel. I see her doing stuff. I like Rebel. It's nothing. I still want to be with you. I was like, damn, bro, like really? I was like, okay, then let it work because Rebel was not here, you know? Then I find this girl named Tish. I was telling T that I'm with Rebel and I'm with Tina. T was like, damn, I like them both. I like Rebel. When Rebel dance, plus when she clap her ass, come like, oh.
So much woman the dog have. So people, we are going to go over to Pretty Dan here now. And then we play look at Able Boss. I respond to Pretty Dan. Boy, Able Boss are the wrong person. You answer. You see me? Me know say he's a man where no really answer people when them talk boy you. You see it, but Pretty Dan we done your dog. You see me? So make we hear somehow a Pretty Dan have to say. You see me? So Pretty Dan do that video yeah. This up him this world Able Boss, but a Able Boss get it the most. Raja get it to Wicked. You see me I say, who again? He come like every TikToker. Perry, Tanania, yo, Pretty Dan go in from them Wicked me people. So make a watch and hear what Pretty Dan I say.
Something can tell us all you do a beg. Your mouth coming like one toilet. Everybody in a blood clot TikTok shit in your mouth already. You are drunk, Crummy G. Nothing about you, no man. You because TikTok shut down tomorrow, you up on the corner, I beg. Drunk, you don't come like you come and them wipe windscreen. Don't have blood clot. Obviously, people tell them to wipe windscreen and still lay a wipe it. Go on, man. The people say they don't want to wipe the windscreen. Dirty batty boy. Eh? No, sir. Me not no friend. Me and nobody on TikTok and a friend. Me and no vlogger and a friend. Me and no vlog. Me and nobody and a friend. I am Scrooge. Me just a pussy by myself. Me and nobody in a link. When you see me over my YouTube channel,
Make we skip
views,
out, come on here.
all you a girl dog, them and the whole of yeah. Be a shit people shitting on the mouth. Because you can't work for no money. You have to beg every day. You not beg like it's kettle and it's suck with girl them on a bit. Because you can't do what me do. You see what?
Yo, me don't know what Pretty Dan have against World Dog still, but every time Pretty Dan open up his mouth, you that's it. World Dog name come out that. You know what I mean? The two of them used to link, them used to a good friend. And people remember one time, you know, Pretty Dan and World Dog a link tick, you know. Zine, Pretty Dan grow on a World Dog yard and go link with World Dog and Par. You know what I mean? So Pretty Dan tell him woman say if you come pick him up. Zine, Pretty Dan in at the house. World Dog them door to door. So the woman come pick up Pretty Dan, you know. So Like, world dog or somebody must go to the woman and tell him say she in a house, them a go call her or whatever. It look like say the person take too long for go call Pretty Dan or Pretty Dan take too long for come out of the house. The woman drive off, left Pretty Dan a world dog yard and go home her yard. Zine, it look like them never tell Pretty Dan say the woman come for pick her up, because I think there was Anna really Pretty Dan call her if you come pick her up. She tell Pretty Dan say, yo, me I come pick you up this a time here. So the woman drive up, park up, and I wait for Pretty Dan to come in. So I guess when she a drive off, they must see. So real dog now go in, go tell Pretty Dan say the woman come pick her up. But true, she never see her. She drive off. You know what I mean? But before she drive off, she did a cuss and I say some things. No go say no people. Nothing at all. Nothing no go so. I like real dog go tell Pretty Dan. Pretty Dan get mad and reach around her yard. See? And go mash up the whole place. Look like she and the woman fight it out. Yes, glad. When Pretty Dan must link Real Dog or Real Dog link Pretty Dan, and you know what I mean, I tell Pretty Dan now say nothing no go so the woman the woman never said nothing like that. Pretty Dan go war off the woman and mash up the TV and all different things in the house for nothing at all. Yo, Pretty Dan ball living your water upon the life, you know, people. And deal with the world dog away, you know. You see me, I say, yo, people, a relationship, if you have a toxic relationship like that, it best it two left each other. You see me, because me not like, if somebody tell you about your significant other, you know what I mean, the first thing you are going to do is ask them if something goes so. I say why you do such and such. It look like two Pretty Dan did feel away. Pretty Dan just go in at the house and start mash up before she have a conversation with her woman. And the same woman where she talk to now when you come. You see me? It look like Pretty Dan are for the butt. You know what I mean? So Pretty Dan never like Real Dog for that. So it look like that did start the whole beef between she and him. And he not get better from that, people, me I tell you. So make watch some more Pretty Dan.
Hear them all them because the only reason why you see them catch up over TikTok and beg people, you see the other place them. Now pay them for the little 1 minute video them again, people. So every day them have to catch up over here and beg.
More of them fine. More
come
fine.
over my back reach. All on our leeches, man. When you come over my back,
don't
man.
Perry them,
When
man.
our leeches. Me I go block him.
Oh, a team there must request her.
Thank you. Me run him blood clot. Me run him. Pussy hole. And me, when me life done, me find you and block you. One of the things that me I wanna get up every day and try come thief out the people and money out of them pocket. Yes, TikTok. The whole of them group up in a group and plan for no pocket. Every day then come rinse out in no pocket because they don't want to look work. The only work, them a work. I've been at the group them. I say, who go life, you come thief for no money today. That's all they do. So when time no come over here, do come over blood clot here. But pussy all red. When I see someone look up blood clot round robin a good dog now. Nobody na med zone no more than see greed in a blood clot. The whole of the greed in a pussy hole. The whole TikTok see greed in a uno. The boy thief me chair. One more time me I go say it. Me turn off a request, sister. Me say it already. Him thief my chair, thief my bumbo clot chair. The whole of the witness the chair get stolen. I don't know what come piss me off, bro. Leave me alone, man. The whole of una dead out on this blood clot. Una beg until nobody no want blood clot soon. Every day una got the blood clot well. It go run dry one day. It go run dry one day. I see it dry there. It dry. Una two blood clot beggy. Every minute una dey on ranking. Every minute una want their number one. Every minute. The book is not the right, yes sir. Is this YouTube? Why? Me pissed off. All of a sudden, me pissed off. Jesus Christ, me bipolar. My God, me bipolar and this and take over. Me need a podcast? No, me. Una know, so me in the frozen couch settings. Una see it outside me live.
Yeah, no, Jay.
Solidarity. Remember, say I am from the dirt. So every day me outside in the dirt. Father God create us from dirt. So out in the dirt, me there. You see me a dirt, them out in the dirt. You understand me? I say, remember that we not ever go inside. Outside we there. And we not ever go inside. Every blood clot they you now have official match with your sour mouth. And the people are gone over there. Oh, we not send out lion. We never send out lion when time people up on your talking truth. One time people are going to philosophy, bro. When people are touch real topic, every day you now get up and show out lion with some people when I do nothing at all for make you happy more than a cussing even on a blood clot topic screen. You not joke, bro. You know how much people miss militant upon blood clot TikTok. You now go up on their live, go show out one lion upon them. One time the people in there, all me come over here, I say, yo. Once in a while, me feel like the people will go over TikTok and chill with them fans and rare. No, wanna make them people live pound a pocket every blood clot there. Then I don't want sorry for the people them. Sorry for them. But, oh, sorry, I didn't want it to lose your match. None of them never lose no blood clot match. All of them win same way. Millions and millions of kind. A greedy, them blood clot greedy. They not no gratitude in them. Una nah blood clot see that. Una nah see no. Una get up. Oh, sorry, we wish you could have did. We wish. Una idiot. Una not see greed in our people them. Una not see it. Remember say every day this, you know. Una fool your fuck, brother. Like you not see it, if you not do it, I every day thing this. Blessings fam, thanks to the gift. Like you not see it, them come sit down here so we do it every day. Yo, but you know, Taps and Roses, you know, me have an official match come on, you know, you want to move out and come out, come support me thing already. The amount of support and support them people already. Them should have blood clot businesses. The amount of charity money we want to send go give them people already. They should have 10 car, 10 bike, 10 cow, 10 goat, 10 pen. The amount of blood clot money we want to send already. If someone want to check on our account, we go check on the credit card them, we go look on them. We don't believe hundreds of thousands of blood clot dollar. And what then do with it? They go in a dance and them bra phone and them buy the big watch, them and the big chain, them and the hype up and blood clot, you know. And if you don't come maintain the lifestyle, them this, you know. You don't know say gas if you buy and you don't know say them your insurance are there and rare. You don't know say tune up if you go. And you know, give them this life, yeah. Give them it. Show money upon them. How them make sure say tell you so now to maintain it.
When you hear Pretty than I say about official match and them something there, I hear the boss him talk. Watch and chain, real dog him talk. You see me? Because a real dog and evil boss me hear my beat first. And then he move on to Raja and enough of the other rankers them. You see it? You know, and Pretty than is a person where Pretty than know all him mouth and talking, all him mouth a ground and talking. You know. Brawling no matter who you be. She a go talk for something dead if you talk about. You see it? And I see somebody on the live over there. Last night I see the person on the live. And the person I said them no think so Pretty than can like go back to Jamaica. Because the amount of people when deal with that way. You know what I mean? Somebody out of the people them when this might do him something. You see it? So let me know if you don't think so them would have do pretty than something if him come to Jamaica. Because him can forward at Jamaica and stay at some nice, you know what I mean, hotel or whatever, and to go in at the ghetto, the garrison. And him good.
I won't have a mentee, bro. Wanna feel like I say? I who have a blood clot mentee in it. And then uno make them hype up on uno make them this, uno have them have care payment, uno have to pay for all of that. Remember, so them people are not work, uno work. Uno work and pay for them bills. Uno work, uno hard earn money and pay them bills with it. Uno see sound idea? Not the, uno go for who it apply to. That's the truth. Remember now we know. Them your people are not do nothing. This is all them doing all day. Box food. Top the screen, guys. Top the screen. Yup. Stops. Which part of that a blood clot? Which part in a that a entertainment? Which part in a that a entertainment? All of them the people in me soon now chew out 10 lion pan. People with a... Yep. Stops. I wanna do that. Wanna make them feel entitled. I wanna make them feel like say them doing that deserve lion. Sky, love you, boo. I wanna make them feel blood clot entitled. So one time then get so in a that. Which part the entertainment there in a blood clot that? Which part when I hear no kind of truth in a that? See Gage get chew out there now. Gage not live no life. Every day I catch up on blood clot TikTok. TikTok, red. From a same, come over here, me know say I broke him blood clot broke. From a see Gage over here, so me see say nothing Gage now. From me see him taps and roses from sun up till dust up. Every blood clot there. So till now, me see them a put out him mic. He's a little blood clot plastic bag. Them a chew out the artist, you know. Right now, the artist, this.
Yeah, no, it's that.
Go to the shop. Workless, dirty, careless, nasty. Every day you catch up on you. Without these people on TikTok, you is nothing. I'm tired to tell the people on TikTok that looking at my eyes and tell me when say that's the truth, bro. Without Uno, they are nothing. I want to make them eat. I want to make them sleep. I want to make them travel. I want to give them every blood clot thing with them have. I want to feed them almighty right now. I want them pray to a blood clot night time. Because guess what? I want to, you know. Mrs. Nuff, I want to as gift that. I want to have so much designer like them. I know that goodness on the heart and that's how we are gift because we rate them. Eh? Hello? Yeah, let me hit you back. I won't lie. No, my phone ring hard at the time, brother. I don't know why. Only make them people feel so blood clot entitled. And only not realize that they might take on own money and a hype up on and a bet. When you no blood clot, give them me. All blood clot, Batman, quiet Perry. Let me tell you no sitting. Una idiot. Well on a cloud. Who make them the uptown Batman, the Iman Tantana Brainer, or Tambrin or whatever, the blood clot idiot uptown girl one name. Who makes them claim say rich people here. Every day, sit down and dig out on a pocket as poor people. Who not bomb clot idiot hour. Who cannot take up on the money and give Batman Perry where say him rich. Who not bomb clot idiot. Boy, love the game. Jesus Christ. Love when I account more. Millions on take up and give them a blood clot waste people. Me say una take up on the money and give rich people. Them are rich people who say they have much money. Tantana Bria them and Tambrin them and the whole of them. Them you know some blood clot girl them say them have money. But every day them come and beg Uno read between the lines. Enough of them wanna see I say them blood clot rich, them broke. then can't tap blood clot do this. If blood clot Perry or tambourine, then tap blood clot do this. Them broke by a morning. Now no money. Cause the whole hour not can tell about so no rich, but every day on the day I beg. Every day on the day I beg. Una no shame. Una the blood clot, una worst rich people me ever see. Eh? Me say, una the worst rich people me ever see in a life. Me think say right you know, you Quiet Perry and Tambourine. Why una over here and una live uptown in a hasty condition house?
Tambourine. Yo, everybody have problem pronouncing Tanania name, you know. You see me I say? Them call her be a different name. I wonder if her birth name that or she just give herself the name there. Because you know the name there, it did hard to pronounce still. But once you get to know it, it's simple. What people, rich people not stay rich by stop working, you know. You understand? If them have a money, them not gonna say, alright, me rich. Me not gonna work or me not gonna do nothing for have money. Them are gonna still do things for have money. You know what I mean? Rich people love money, you know. You see me I say, I'm gonna put Perry them as rich and them something there. Them a do them thing. Remember say them have apartment for pay for, you know. And them own house, them have uptown, you know. So them a go come and try to get as much as them can get. If them a get it, why not come and get it every day? You see it? Simple as that. You know what I mean? But I know pretty than beat them bad. You see me? Chacha, make you watch some more.
Alright, eh? You, Tambourine and the other one, who no blood clot, rich, but yet still on come live on the blood clot people on TikTok every day. Who know a sour pussy able, stink cold able. Able go look at blood clot work.
Yeah,
you think if you go out there go look at working hard? All Miss Triple them must say them blood clot successful. Triple beggy and big and oversized. Go sit down, man. Every blood clot there. Wanna get up, church out on a blood clot and two people them. Tantana bring all a blood clot them. Quiet Perry. No rich. Go away, man. And come over the blood clot app. You go find another app, my friend. You come like the biggest and the worklessest rich people I've ever seen in my life. Dirty Tantana bring and dirty blood clot Quiet Perry. So no blood clot rich, but you no poor. You have the poorest attitude. You know a big pussy triple. Triple every day you say you're successful, you have this, you have that. But every day you have to get up and blood clot beg. You know nothing about you know pussy hole. You know junk father. You see it? Big pussy here, but want to get up and ball. Oh, God. I just hurting them. What you embarrassed about? Some people take up $6,000 gear. Me embarrassed with them. Me shame for the people them who send the money go give you. Me shame for the blood clot people them. The whole house no coming like some big loose can and bumbuckler corner bitch and boys. Whole house no have TikTok a sell no pussy for no. TikTok have up on a bumbuckler corner. That's why they have so much conference phone at daytime. You know why? Because I saw the pimp them stay. When the pimp them want get up the whole of them whores, put them in a one room and talk about, oh, big pimping, baby. Oh, that's my whore over there. Oh, that one make me a lot of money. That's my little money maker over there. Remember, you be like some blood clot TikTok and bring you in a them award there because they rate you know. You know the money maker. You know shake you know ass the hardest for them. You know sell the most pussy for them. So yes, them a go blood clot award, you know. My skettle on the side. Remember, TikTok is on a pimp. TikTok on a blood clot pimp. And when them pimp, when them pimp on out of sound come, yes, I sell pussy to these nice, clean people. Look at the nice people them. Who no cost them like dog. Oh, move on the bomb clot. Not even one of my life goal, you know, can't give me.
Analyze still, you know, people TikTok do them bad still, you know. Because you can tell me, say, you earn the money and TikTok take half out of it. That is not a good deal. No, man, them shouldn't take so much. If everybody boycott the app, them have to give them more. Because you earn the money, you know, I just feed them platform you use, you know. And them take half of your money. That not right.
bumbo clock rose. Me set up his screen, I don't know what top his screen. What somehow not do for me life? What block me and block off somehow not for me life? Suck on if you go suck on no matter. Una bumbo clock idiot. When you can't make people cussing for no money. When you see them here workless, low life, drunk crop. Eh? Them here low life. Them are cussing for sending no money. God, them a lose game. How this is losing a game with everybody I get money. Money I send over that side, money I send over that side. Eh? A crave one to blood clot crave. Round and come over here and realize how you can sit down and catch up and beg pan TikTok the whole day. None of you no rest. Every blood clot there, Perry him get up and lift panny. Tantana bring, she get up every minute with your rich self. Come over here. Tempson Roses. Warren girl, go man. And go suck your mother with your Batman friend. And go find sitting down. Because even so rich enough to come out of people's pocket. And go and stop using people them for your blood clot fall. Even so rich enough, ease up. And ease up out of people in pocket. When the rest of life then Tantana bring. Even so blood clot rich. Stop beg. Eh? And the people fault, but you don't expect the people who are so rich like she and the faggot. She and the blessings from she and the faggot were so blood clot rich. You don't even expect the two of them get up. People are kind-hearted people. Tantana Brennan, Batman, Quiet Perry, they know that and they pray upon the people them. People are kind-hearted. They might go come, they might go see it, they might go want to drop one little one answer. You don't even know better man have conscience. You don't have no bumbo clad conscience. Every day you get up, you don't pressure people, them all big sour triple. Triple you one drunk man. Every day you get up, the people can't rest. Nobody can rest. It's like you say, you don't have this literally as on a 9 to 5. And I like say, so you don't have a day off, you know. None of you don't have a day off. Every day you don't beg. And some time you wonder, dog, I want to get it. The people that I talk to you now, not who go suck for no matter now. Who know, he give to them, Jesus Christ. And I like say me I watch on the pocket, bro. And I like say me I watch on the pocket, bro. Me don't know nothing about you, no bad man. You understand me? I say, I don't have it. But I want to find it. All day, every day. All Maya say less. With her blood clot mouth lean like she gets chokes. Me I wonder what the blood clot do Maya. Maya left here and walk. With her escalator teeth, them in her blood clot mouth. Me never see a girl with a lean mouth like that yet. Like Duppy boxing money young to pussy clad. Eh? Every day, Maya. Guys, this is, stop the screen, guys. Stop the screen. We're not going to find blood clot work. Young Batman TJ. Every blood clot, you don't have to do. Every day you don't want to put ranking. Rank we are rank. We need ranking. We need. No. We tell the people we want to get in our ranking. Nothing. We don't get up and beg out to people and pocket every day for nothing a blood clot all. Not even look at entertainment. Eh? Maya, go box it up you box you. Because your bumbo clot lean mouth every bumbo clot minute. You push it clot lean mouth. More lean no bumbo clot. Like a dopey abuse you. Blessings from. Eh? Me have you wonder under the people them sit down and watch every blood clot there. You finally change the little sheet for your bed and sitting. Look like over 2 you have now. Me do better. Every minute you don't want to go in a taboo up and make a go show off on a thinking self. You don't go and go find blood clot sitting though. The amount of beg you beg them people every day. You don't think you know that make sit now on a blood clot self now. Go make sit now on yourself, man. Every day you want to get up and beg. I want to rich, you know, I want to boast off on people. You need to make blood clot TJ, turn your blood clot mouth. I get somebody with left hand to turn your mouth, because your mouth lean.
Yo, pretty than disrespectful, you know.
Every bumbo clot minute, so you can't arrest people pocket. All Batman Roger. There. Go look work, Batman. And that's why you they help this here Batman here, a mine man and a mine little pitney where my fuck to. You need a set of blood clot idiot man. You don't go that one, man.
Yeah,
you know idiot. You can't make Batman, Roger. Guys, every day you get up with this blood clot accent. Where you get it from? So good, Roger. Where you get this blood clot? Merc never see you yet. Plain door hate you. Nobody a blood clot all. When they in our reception area, in a no airport at all, never see you thinking locks them yet. You frozen blood clot inner city rat. Nobody never see this blood clot inner city drunk yet. But every minute you hear this inner city ton car meal and blood clot mackerel. Drunk every minute, but yo, guys, listen to me. I don't want y'all to think that I'm fucking playing with y'all. Shut your stinking suck with bumbo clot mouth, batty boy. Every blood clot there, you get up with your faggot bumbo clot self in your tenement bumbo clot yard. Get up and beg out the whole of TikTok. And all no, you can't show what you have. More than you say, me buy me 2 man, them a buy, cause me a fuck a little pitney, and me buy myself a car. Go away, your tenement yard bitch you. Every blood clot there, you get up. You can't tap church out on hand. On hand the blood clot chop off. All a batty man like you, Roger, can't get no money from people. People that take up their money and get on and cool plus batty man like you. All blood class 6 TV, you need to turn 5. 4, 3, 2, 1, nothing. All I know about on a man, all you do is get up and beg. Every blood clot there. You don't feel like I work over here, so this year no work. See work what me I do ya. Me dey live 1 hour. I know me no play a match yet. Me no say tap, now rose since me there. The 1 blood clot hour. That a work.
Yeah, you know, boy, she beat Yellow Boss the most still in the people, but some might kind of, maybe me skip over it or me not catch it. You see me? So Yellow Boss him did half the answer. So enough how we pretty than I said, although she had a lot more to say and a lot more people to beat. You know what I mean? The only person we get saved, all Ivan he get beat. You see me I say? Yeah man. Everybody get beat, man. The only person we save a mackerel. Yeah, man, a mackerel alone get saved. Pretty than I say, mackerel can stay and go and beg. You know what I mean? Everybody else get whipping. So, I want to tell more on the thing. So, make we check out Able Boss, you know. I respond. You see me? Guy look like say boy pretty than tap on him can. Wicked. You know what I mean? So, make we watch Yellow Boss still, but Yellow Boss can't cuss like pretty and still. So, go watch and hear myself.
Secret for me. You know the bumbo class secret for me. That's the greatest thing. So every day you come and chat this and chat that. You know the bumbo class secret for me. You feel like say a secret for me? Where?
Yo, when Yellow Boss are cuss him pause enough, you know. Him pause enough.
Man, wait, tell them about the comments, man. Turn it on back, man.
Come like him a...
I wrong time, my father.
Him a think about sitting for say.
I wrong time. I wrong time for come and able him. Any other day but not today. Any other day but not today. You should have wait. Now look at the comments, man. Anybody if you get black, man. You should have blood clot wait. You're too enough. And then you have to bring down everybody in the blood clot Jamaica rank class. Everybody are dead for hungry. And you are dead for bumbo clot hungry. Because what the people, what the rank them are going on blood clot TikTok, you're not hot like them. So you there bring down them blood clot, you there for your life. Why you there live over here? So why you there on blood clot Instagram? Why you there over Facebook? Why you say pay millions? And for why you there over here? The same thing why you over here? Why you over here? Hero green blood clot lizard, why you over here? Now the same thing why you over here? You could have depend your Facebook, you could have depend, because she know what I say, yo, she's a good businesswoman, you know. You could have depend your Facebook,
You could have on your YouTube or your Instagram. Why you choose TikTok? The same thing. No same blood clot thing. No same thing why you over here. So let go for the people in bumbo clot named bitch. You're not even a bitch, if you're a bitch better than you to blood clot. I could have years there make it on blood clot, but you know. Could have years there, you know, because you're full of blood clot disease, you know. That's how you live off of your mouth. That's how you use your mouth and please anybody, because you could have blood clot AIDS.
Boy, you was not
You
so
look like
much.
a blood clot AIDS patient. I mean, not lie.
You was not so much.
You could have AIDS, that's how you turn butch.
You better hello pretty that evil, you know what I mean? Love him. You can't manage pretty that evil.
Apart from a bumbo clot name, man. You can talk about sour mouth. I'm the big stinking pretty Dan.
You was, you know the cussing type, me G. You know what I mean? Especially if you go up against Pretty Dan. You see it? So you better just let it go, me G. You see me I say, cause sometimes you pause long. Like you search for something to say. Pretty Dan just go right through. You see me? But most of them people are still, me see them pick on evil boss most of the time. You know what I mean? First, him used to then, when him a go number one, everybody upon him name. You know what I mean? Me don't know if I ease him, ease off, I go in number one, or him just nah get the support like one time. Me hear him did a say for one of him live set. Because him did a go play a match, why him not really pressuring people and him not come on live often. You see it? But upon a level still, me see Yellow Boss play a match what day. Me never watch a match till I the replay upon a different channel. Me watch the match, right? And the person who him a play against him opponent, I think the person go 4.odd mil in a coins, and him go must 3.odd mil in a coins. That a whole heap because a lot of people play a match and them even pass 1 million good. You see it? And it's like him throw a little tantrum. I say him no like what go on. I know say no found maybe see the video. You see it? Him say him no like what go on. Him talk a lot of things. Him did vex. You see it? When the match done play, so him did just left. Just end him live. Because him never get the support. Because him never win the match. But upon a level still, him get a lot of kinds. You see it? And I feel like that was the ultimate goal. But it come like reach a level where him I say him not really business about the kind. Him did want to win the match. You understand? And when you win the match, you get more coins. You see it? So it kind of confusing what him did I say. You know what I mean? But he must know what he mean. Because like him I say, him support a lot of people. And people not come back come support him. You see right now, TikTok not stay like one time. It's support for supporting that kind of mash up, you know. People now support each other like one time. You know what I mean? Him say people come and say them a go cash up him and sell him a money and him a say him no want it. So, I want to tell more what I think. You see it? So, I watch some more with your boss, I say.
Your tongue come like tampon and blood clot padded. Your mouth even worse than blood clot tampon and padded. You come talk about raw mouth.
You'll boss pause again. Come here, boss. Talk, man.
I'm not done with you. I'm not talk about live. When me done with them, I feel like me done with you. Be a content, man. Come in a live person, you know. Be a blood clot content. Come in a done with you. Ear a lizard, me not done with you. Cause long me say you hear a blood clot lizard. We crawl out a blood clot ear toilet at Jamaica. Cause you left in blood clot toilet at Chile and you crawl out toilet. Cause I don't know what blood clot ear bust you. Talk the truth, man. Real dog boss your brother. Thank it. You're supposed to pay the dog bills for all 3 years.
And a real dog bus pretty done. You see me I say pretty done bus long time before. You know what I mean? And I do our thing. And just link up with the real dog. So that are some of the things where Hero Boss have to say. You know what I mean? Him cussing never act like pretty done. But him respond to pretty done or him can respond. You see it? So alright, yeah, so me I got in the live, my people. Bless up.